Welcome to nature.empires. Discover the wonders of the natural world, majestic landscapes, fascinating wildlife, and the secrets of Mother Earth. From breathtaking forests to the deepest oceans, we bring you the beauty, mystery, and power of nature. Subscribe now and explore the empire of nature with us. Prepare to be amazed. We're exploring the extraordinary world of albino animals. These creatures, touched by a rare genetic hand, stand out in stark, breathtaking beauty. Join us for 10 incredible stories of survival and wonder. Sewer myths come to life. Albino alligators. Baby alligators communicate with their mothers through high-pitched squeaks. Their powerful jaws exert nearly 3,000 pounds of pressure per bite. Alligators can regrow tails, an ability they share with some lizards. But reality rivals urban legends with albino alligators, whose stark appearance evokes creatures of science fiction. Unlike their swampy green relatives, these alligators are often plagued by light sensitivity, a challenge shared with many albino animals. Phantom of the forest, the ghost moose. A moose's nose acts like a snorkel, allowing it to dive up to 20 feet underwater in search of aquatic plants. Their antlers can weigh up to 40 pounds, making them nature's heaviest headgear. Moose can run up to 35 miles per hour despite their massive size. But, not a specter from a fairy tale, but a colossal and rare sight in the snowy woods of Ontario, Canada, the albino moose, or ghost moose, perfectly camouflages against winter landscapes. Once the snow melts, however, its striking white coat makes it more vulnerable to predators, such as wolves. Additionally, its sensitive eyes may struggle under the intense sunlight reflecting off the snow. The ghost of the jungle, white panthers. Panthers' roars can be heard up to 5 miles away. Big cats have loose shoulder blades, allowing them to pounce with incredible agility. Black panthers are not a distinct species but melanistic variants of leopards or jaguars. The inverse of the mysterious black panther, albino panthers are nature's paradoxes. Whether leopards, jaguars, or cougars, these ghostly felines reveal the breathtaking diversity of big cats. Some are fully albino, while others exhibit leucism, a related condition. Gentle giant of the deep, the white whale shark. They can live up to 70 to 100 years in the wild. Each whale shark has a unique pattern of spots, much like a human fingerprint. Whale sharks have thousands of tiny teeth but don't use them. These gentle giants are filter feeders. Spotted near the Galapagos Islands, an albino whale shark combines grace and mystery. Measuring over 10 meters, 33 feet, this plankton-eating leviathan challenges the typical image of shark-like menace, radiating an almost spectral beauty. The pale leviathan, albino whales. Orcas, sometimes called killer whales, are actually the largest members of the dolphin family. Humpback whales have unique songs that can travel across entire oceans. Migaloo, the famous albino humpback whale, has been tracked since 1991 and has over 10,000 social media fans. Marine legends come to life with sightings of albino humpback whales, such as Migaloo, an enormous white whale off Australia's coast. These rare giants, despite their ghostly appearance, are as real as the oceans they traverse. Albino orcas have also been observed, such as a 16-year-old specimen off Russia, defying expectations due to their challenges with immunity. Snowflake, the one-of-a-kind albino gorilla. Gorillas share around 98% of their DNA with humans. They have unique fingerprints, just like us. Despite their size, gorillas are herbivores and spend up to 75% of their day eating. The only documented albino western lowland gorilla, Snowflake, became an icon in Barcelona Zoo. Born in Equatorial Guinea in 1964, his albinism, the result of inbreeding, gave scientists a unique opportunity to study pigmentation and primate genetics. Snowflake's pale complexion offered a striking perspective on human-like primates. White legends, albino ravens and vultures. Turkey vultures have an acute sense of smell, a rarity among birds, which helps them locate carcasses from miles away. Ravens are exceptionally intelligent and can even mimic human speech. They hold funerals for their dead, which shows fascinating social behaviors. Ravens and vultures are often linked to darkness and mystery, but albino individuals flip the narrative. White ravens have even inspired myths, such as those in British Columbia. Meanwhile, albino turkey vultures, with their ghostly feathers, prove that even scavengers can embody elegance. Nocturnal marvels, white owls and bats. Owls have special serrations on their wings for silent flight, making them stealthy hunters. Owls can rotate their heads 270 degrees without harming their blood vessels. A bat's heart rate can drop to 20 beats per minute during hibernation, saving energy. Albino owls, such as the great horned flying tiger, carry a mystical air. Similarly, albino bats, cloaked in pale hues, create an eerie yet enchanting spectacle. Their nocturnal habits offer them a reprieve from the sunlight sensitivity that troubles many albinos. Ethereal flyer, the snowy hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. These tiny daredevils beat their wings about 50 to 80 times per second, which makes them literal blurs in motion. Despite their size, some hummingbirds migrate up to 3,000 miles each year. A true gem of eastern North America, the albino ruby-throated hummingbird dazzled nature enthusiasts when it was spotted in Virginia. While most hummingbirds flaunt vibrant jewel-like feathers, this unique albino lacks the usual ruby throat but boasts red eyes. Despite its vulnerability, its incredible speed keeps it largely out of predators' reach. Bleached beauties, albino arthropods. Even arthropods can lack pigment. White lobsters and albino snails, like the carnivorous Polyphanta of New Zealand, appear as though dipped in bleach. Their rarity makes these creatures exciting finds in the wild, offering a glimpse at the vast scope of albinism's effects. Lobsters, one of the longest-living marine creatures, can live up to 100 years. They also have an incredible ability to regenerate lost claws, like tiny underwater superheroes. Meanwhile, some snails possess teeth so strong they can scrape through stone, showcasing nature's fascinating adaptations. Which albino animal surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.